Hello everyone, it's me, Ivailo. Today I will do unboxing on exactly this box. And this box is actually something which I'm waiting for 2 months. I'm super excited to see what is inside. I know what should be inside, but we actually gonna figure it out together now when I open it. Yeah, maybe we can start to do it. Opening, and as you can see, Jack is excited as well. And I have one box inside and another box inside, another two boxes inside, and paper. Nothing else, no surprises. I know should be two boxes. I didn't know it's going to be like that. And diamond music. Exactly what I'm waiting for. Let's open this box as well. We're gonna unbox the tank. Ladies and gentlemen, I finally have in my hands the new box of Ace of Base. Happy 30th anniversary Ace of Base, and they did this gift for all their fans, which is actually amazing. Seriously, this is like dream come true. I will show you later actually my Ace of Base collection. It's going to be my Ace of Base UK collection. And I'm super excited. I'm super happy. I have this in my hand. Just new things. This is amazing gift. Beautiful and amazing gift. Thank you, Ace of Base. Okay, people. Now the time has come. We actually can see what is inside the box. And wow, you can actually see a lot of things. See this? A lot. This is what the box includes, and this is actually beautiful. See you on my next video where I gonna show you Ace of Base collection, all the vinyls, the magazines, all the CDs which I have, including this one. See ya.